Hey, it's mango time. Maybe we can make a mango shake. It's hot weather and it's time to drink a real mango shake. This mango is very sweet one. It's perfect for the summer, perfect for the sunny day. For this recipe, just make a mango shake with I cannot make. Okay, let me try another one. So just if you guys doesn't know how to prepare mango, just watch this. See, just remove the seeds, separate the seeds, and do it again at the same. So look at that, they are very fresh and so easy to make this kind of mango shake. So look, then just slice at the middle. Okay, the same until you can do it also like this. Like this. Look at that, so easy. Now I have to spoon it. Direct to the blender. So look at this, so easy. Like this. You don't need to move the skin. It's more easy like this, and you don't need to peeling the skin, just spoon it and more easy. Look at this. Look. Okay, so let me just put and I have to, if you want, actually the mango it's very sweet already, but so that the blender working well, I will add a little bit cold water. Okay, and 1 spoon of sugar, so that can balance the water which you add it, and cover It's my cover, it's not working. Yes. Then just lock it. Okay. And I have to connect. Okay, this is an plain mango with little bit sugar, but if you guys want a milk mango, it's also a yummy, but if you want a pure mango to taste, you can do it like this. So it is up to you, only an option. But if you want to add milk, then you don't need to add cold water again. Just direct to go into milk. Okay? So let's see. It's very thick. Very thick. So it is up to you. But I prepare the plain mango juice for me, which we have a lot of mangoes. Look at this. I have a lot of mangoes. We cannot even finish them. Look, everyday mango, but I think it's a very good for the body, a lot of vitamin. So okay, thanks for watching, and we're gonna make another shake for later.